Hello and welcome to a new lesson, 7 Benefits of Reading Literature. In other words, what is the purpose of reading literature? What is the advantage of reading literature? Why do we read literature? How does reading literature help us? Let's discuss the topic. Reading literature serves many purposes, from personal enrichment to intellectual and social development. Here are some of the key reasons why people read literature. Please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. Number 1, it develops empathy and emotional intelligence. Literature allows you to step into the lives of diverse characters, understand their perspectives, and experience their emotions. Point number 2, it enhances critical thinking and analytical skills. When you read, you actively analyze plot, character motivations, and themes. This process improves your ability to make connections, draw conclusions, and think critically about complex ideas. Point number 3, it gains knowledge and a broader worldview. Literature is a window to different cultures, historical periods, and societal values. It can increase your general knowledge and provide a deeper understanding of the world and its people, past and present. Point number 4, it helps in personal growth and self-discovery. Books often feature characters facing challenges and triumphs, which can prompt you to reflect on your own experiences, values, and beliefs. This reflection fosters self-awareness and personal growth. Point number 5, it improves language and communication skills. Regular reading exposes you to a wide range of vocabulary, writing styles, and rhetorical devices. This not only expands your own vocabulary, but also improves your ability to express yourself more eloquently in both writing and speech. Point number 6, it strengthens our brain and improves intellect. Reading is a powerful cognitive exercise that can strengthen your brain by creating new neural pathways. And point number 7, it helps reduce mental stress. How? It can also act as a form of escapism, providing a calming and restorative break from daily stressors. Studies have shown that reading can lower heart rate and blood pressure with as little as 6 minutes of reading, reducing stress by up to 68%. Hope you understand the idea. Thank you and goodbye. The channel caters to the academic needs of those students who have opted for English language and English literature as their compulsory courses of studies at the graduate and postgraduate levels. The channel also provides the educational needs of students in media, economics, computer and medical sciences who have selected English language as a mandatory course at the graduate level. It also offers valuable teaching resources to university lecturers and professors. Utmost attention is paid to design lessons after extensive studies from diverse, authentic sources. If you find the videos valuable, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial in the manner I conduct research and put forth efforts in preparing the lessons. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Let's achieve academic success together.